Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the font color in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm in my text editor. So right now I want to change this header text color. So I'm selecting this text here and I'm clicking on color, and from here I can select any color, and if I click on custom color, now I can easily make a custom color from my text. So here you can see the header text color has been changed, and now let's change this text color. So I'm selecting this one and I'm click on this more icon, text color, custom color, and I'm giving a color here, and you can change background color from here. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.